Here's a Penncrest 100 model 9711. I got this from Brian Peterson sometime last year or 2 years ago now. But yeah, today I replaced the cord on it, so now it works pretty good now, because the old cord kept cutting the fan in and out. Oh yeah, we'll start off on low. This is the only metal bladed fan that I have out, since it is winter time. I do have the Penncrest pedestal fan that's got metal blades, but box fan wise, this is the only one out. Medium. About high. And off. I'd say this fan dates back to the early 70s. Possibly late 60s. Whoops. I'm just looking for the Penncrest 200, which is the variable speed model. Or not the variable speed model, but it's 3-speed with a thermal control, and I think there was even a Penncrest 300, which I think was the 3-speed reversible and thermal control as well. Could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure there is a deluxe version of that out there somewhere. But yeah, that's it, and until next time.